Hello everyone and welcome back to SEO Finder and another LinkedIn tips and tricks video. In this video, we're looking into a question that many of you have been asking. Does deleting a conversation on LinkedIn delete it for both sides? Let's find out. You're on LinkedIn engaging in all sorts of professional conversations, but then you realize you need to clean up your inbox, or maybe you just want to remove a conversation for privacy reasons. That's when the question hits you. If you delete a conversation on LinkedIn, does it delete for both parties? Well, the answer is no. When you delete a conversation on LinkedIn, it only disappears from your own inbox. The other person can still access the conversation unless they also delete it. Think of it like cleaning up your side of the street but leaving the other side untouched. Now, you might be wondering why you'd want to delete conversations in the first place. Firstly, it helps protect your privacy, especially if the conversation contains sensitive information. Secondly, it keeps your inbox organized, making it easier to find important messages. And finally, it can improve your overall user experience on the platform. Now, what happens if you delete a conversation? Well, all of the information in that conversation, like messages, attachments, links, and whatsoever, is gone for good. So make sure you're okay with losing that info before hitting that delete button. And if you're just looking to delete a single message, you can do that too. Just follow these simple steps. Log into your LinkedIn account, go to your inbox, find the conversation, click on the message you want to delete, and select delete message. Messaging on LinkedIn is super important for networking, job searching, and customer interactions. By understanding how to manage your conversations effectively, you can make the most out of your LinkedIn experience. And that's the ending. We've covered everything you need to know about deleting conversations on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. See you in the next video.